At walang kontrata. Powered pa ng Converge. Punta na sa surftosawa.com o sa facebook.com/surftosawa.
Basta pag tinanong kayo, sino ako, ang sasabihin nyo, si John Lloyd. Okay? Parang ayaw mo ha. Morning, good morning sir. Salamat ha, salamat.
Ilan sila kayo?
Ano pong designation?
Bale, wala mga guesting pagulang na dyan. Mga 7, pwede nga na show. May tayo mukha nyo dyan, sir. Introduce itong ating mga panauin sa araw na to. Itong Sunday ng umaga na nagbigay ng oras. O diba, talagang Sunday morning. Itong November 10 of Philippine Youth Dreamers Organization. Magandang umaga, Coach.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat sa nakikinig. Ako po si Coach Eugene. It's a privilege to be here. Very excited kami sa mga tanong mo.
Yeah. Kwentuhan lang tayo. Jing Akot, si Attorney John Tablizo, Legal Counsel ng Philippine Youth Dreamers Organization. Magandang umaga, Attorney. At buti naman may oras kayo na ito.
We'll make time for magandang umaga rin po sa inyo lahat, sir. Once again, thank you po for the opportunity. It's great to be here at IC Game Time.
In part sa amin, kasi we are trying to develop youth, yung kids. So the challenging part is to make everybody make sure na happy sila pagtapos ng game. They were able to play. Kaya may times na we were up by that much, tapos matatalo pa. And syempre, ibang tao, they will look it in a different angle. Pero sa amin, sa perspective namin, okay kami. Kasi
pinagagawa ng mga PYD for the past years.
Of course, always there would be trainings to develop and hone their skills. With that trend, we will also, for them to execute it, syempre may mga ligas din po tayo. At the same time, the rules in the basketball and the rules of real life po yung mga naano natin.
Oo, di ba kumbaga, I'm sure both of you, no? Since na kasama kayo sa PYD, you're like second father. Yun na nga, meron na tayong mga activities, may mga produkto, no? I think recently we're developing kids that are competing internationally. Tama po ba, Coach?
Yes.
Yes. Baka pwede natin kwento to.
Well, I just have to give a little over some which choose them. Kasi nga, we adjusted our trainings already. It's almost every day already. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. Sometimes we simulate pa pati Sundays. Kasi ang games nga sa international, sometimes 2 games in a day, 3 games in a day because of a pocket tournament. So nag-adjust kami doon and we make sure that the parents understand yung gusto natin mangyari. Kasi pag hindi po natin na-explain mabuti sa parents, and there would be doubts already. Mas may explain na si attorney on his point of view.
Si attorney lang taga-explain.
Si Coach kasi, if you see Coach's timetable today, grabe po. Pagkatapos po dito, tatakbo po pa sa South, may co-coach pa po yan. So, with that, our help naman po kay Coach, we stay in contact with the parents po talaga. Lalo na po yung mga nag-varsity po namin. How's your kid doing? How's the grades doing? Anong mini-maintain? So, we keep focus on them also. So that when we call them for training, I think bawasan natin muna yung training mo because you have to focus on this, you have exam. Focus mo muna yan. Once again, when the term student-athlete comes to mind, nauuna po yung student bago po yung athlete. So we value that po. Yun po talaga yung kami namin. It's part of our dream that you be a complete package as an individual, not just as a baller. Hindi lang player po, isa po kayo mamamayan ng Pilipinas.
Yan. So anyway.
More with Bigger Plus. Big Ano?
Tayo lang tayo. Malamig ba?
Kasi sa piso lang.
Malamig ba?
Pesos Jackpot Products. Visit plus.com to learn more with
Sila marunong mag-Tagalog. English ano mo. Ayan.
That time check was brought to you by at walang kontrata. Powered pa ng Converge. Punta na sa surftosawa.com o sa facebook.com/surftosawa.
Baga, kinabukasan, we're trying to develop athletes here na pwede natin mga para marinig na ito Kaden and Paul. Yan, and Paul. Yan. So may pagsasagot no. Ano yung mga for the past
Seryoso yung daddy, nininervyos.
So magandang umaga at thank you again. Maraming salamat sa pag-unlock sa atin dito sa IC Game Time. At ito Coach Bujing, ito kinakausap nag-usap lumalaban na sa ibang bansa itong mga kabataan natin. At ano ba ang natin looking forward?
There's another international tournament. It's going to be in Batis Aramin Resort in Lucban, Quezon. And also on March, it's the same for boys naman. So full pack po yung ating schedules dito sa Philippines country na international tournaments. Again, we will post it sa social media ng PYD.
Ako busy at saka mukhang iba-ibang pagkain na matitin. No? So,
we have to set an example for kids din po.
Tama.
We train also.
Correct. Kasi syempre, kayo nang tinipingalan nila di ba? But so may mga papasalamat.
The start of Philippine Youth Dreamers way back 2013. Kasama po natin dyan si Boss Sandy Barrios, si Sir Bernie Atienza. Tignan nyo, sila po yung mga gumabay, nag-guide sa atin. Ngayon po yung ating mga bagong bossing sa SBP ang tumutulong naman sa ating programa. And also, we would like to say thank you sa Converge ICT Solution Incorporated who continuously support the whole programs of PYD, whether it's a team tournament or outreach or international tournaments, and of course Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, so who's been our official outfitter of Team Pilipinas, the Philippine Youth Dreamers, CSS Games PH, mga Mo. We also have Chachago Philippines. So from day one until now, praying for Boss Argel's show. Maraming salamat sa tiwala, Boss Argel. And we will continue to make sure that we share your blessings to others as well. So, sa mga parents, maraming salamat. We are different. I mean, I am different. I've been coaching for 27 years. Alam ni Sir Ernest yan. Alam ni Sir Ed and I. When I was starting talaga, I am a very disciplinarian coach. So, if you want your kids to be disciplined, hindi naman siguro yung papagalitan, but really, inculcate sa bata yung tama, that's the hard part. If you parents cannot do it, I can do it, but please be with me when I do it. Kasi mahirap baka mamaya dinidisiplina natin yung anak nyo, and biglang bantawan yung bata, you are to motivate them. Kami na po yung sa hard part, kayo na po yung sa good part. So, kayo, hand in hand po tayo.
At paano ba yung mga magulang na interesado siguro ngayon na nakikinig sa atin ngayon, paano ba kayo kukontakin, Coach?
Well, yung social media po namin, again, sa Instagram, Philippine Youth Dreamers, and also sa Facebook page. Marami naman po digital platforms meron ng PYD. Kung wala po kayong update, pwede nyo rin check yung Facebook ko, yung Ka-Winners Coach. At least then, makikita nyo pa yung mga good vibes. At saka marami pa pong mga announcements. Pwede nyo na i-follow yung lahat ng articles na People's Tonight kay Sir Ed Andaya. Kasi mas madalas marami siyang sinishare for us.
Yan. Okay. And the final messages po natin, attorney, kayo muna.
So, we're playing for PYD. Please keep on dreaming. Do not stop. But remember always your discipline, your desire, and your decision to play the game with heart. Right? So once again, Sir Ernest, thank you for the opportunity to share the goals of PYD.
Okay.
Good morning to all.
Coach Bajing?
Una-una, papasalamat lang ako sa suporta ng pamilya. My family, it's getting a big family. So maraming salamat, to my family, kay Bliss, kay Bilis, kay Buffy, to my mom, to my sister Chinky. Maraming salamat. Alam ko, it's really a strive to join us. You can just check our Facebook. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, may trainings po kami. So, we don't want players not practicing.
Sa ating ngayon, again, ang IC Game Time, i-like po natin ang Facebook page. Meron din po tayong Facebook page ng DWIZ 882 at Aliw Broadcasting Corporation. Subscribe na rin po kayo sa mga YouTube channels ng Aliw Broadcasting Corporation and DWIZ. And with that, ako po si Ernest Hernandez na nag-iiwan sa inyo ng simpleng mensahe para sa linggong ng umaga ngayon, Nobyembre 10, 2024. At ang mensahe ko lang po ay to stay safe and God bless. Ang sunod pong programa ay IZ Balita kasama si Hayan Ludivino.
Sa panahon ngayon,
Salamat DWIZ, Sir Ernest, Sir Ed Andaya, maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng exposure para sa ating mga manlalarong Pilipino.